So you want to join your friends on a Discord call with your webcam open while also having it open on OBS for streaming, while also having it open on TikTok Live Studio for multi-streaming on TikTok. And then you realize you can't have your webcam on multiple different programs simultaneously because it gets stuck to whichever program used it first. And then you just go outside now and buy multiple webcams because that's exactly what I did before. But that changes today because you can now actually enable your webcam to be used by multiple different programs, more than 3, more than 4, more than 5, for free without even installing a single application. So here, let me show you. Right now we are on my desktop and basically I have Discord open and I kind of just want to show you what I meant by it gets stuck on the first program that uses it. So basically, if I turn on my webcam right now and then have it on here, this is my webcam. It's called the Anker PowerComp C200. And what's up? You can see me here. But now if I open up OBS Stream or my OBS, my portable OBS with, with another webcam, and then it has the C200, even if I deactivate or activate it again, nothing happens. Same thing. Right now, it's still on Discord. If I open up TikTok Live Studio, nothing happens still. As you can see, Anker PowerComp C200, it's there, it's selected, it says no result because it's already occupied by Discord. So how do we do this and what are the things that I need? Again, you don't need any third-party software. You just need your webcam, your softwares, but you do need a Windows 11 machine specifically on 24H2. This is not applicable on 23H2, but don't quote me on that. To check for your Windows version, all you have to do is press Windows and R and then type in WinVer. As you can see right here, it says Windows 11 and I'm currently on version 25H2. Make sure that it says 24H2 on your end. I'm just going to press OK now. To update Windows, all you have to do is go ahead on your Start menu, search for Settings, go to Windows Update, and then just press check for updates and then install. Now, after you make sure that your system is on 24H2, all you have to do is head over to settings, go into Bluetooth and devices, go into cameras, and then select whichever webcam you want to be used simultaneously on different programs. So for me, it's going to be the Anker PowerComp C200. And then I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down, go to advanced camera options, press edit, and then allow multiple apps to use camera at the same time. So I'm just going to turn this on. Media type, you can let Windows choose or you can preset it. Maybe you want 360p, 1080p, 720p, or 1440p. But since I'm using this only for streaming and Discord, I'm just going to set this into 1080p. I'm going to press apply and it should be good now. So here, let's actually test it out. I have settings running right now with my webcam. I'm going to go back to Discord. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my camera. I got it. C200. It's also open here. Let me open up OBS as well. So OBS stream. There you go. You have it also on OBS. Let me also open up TikTok Live Studio just to make sure it's also working on other programs. And there we go. We also have it on TikTok Live Studio. You can basically use this on web browsers, Zoom meetings, all at the same time with Discord. Maybe you're in a call with a friend, have your webcam on there while you're streaming, whatever. But that's basically how easy it is to do. And yeah, I guess if this video did help you, then hit that like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys the next time. By the way, I do have some Taglish videos already out in this YouTube channel. So if you're a Filipino and want to support me, then you can check out those videos. They have Filipino flag in the title. While some of you guys are probably pure English speakers, don't worry because all of those have subtitles and transcriptions on full English. So don't worry about that.